Thinking about remodeling your kitchen in Houston? Here are 4 stunning kitchen remodeling ideas that blend function and style, perfect for Texas homes. Let's dive in. Idea number 1. Open concept with island seating. Open up your kitchen by removing walls and creating a seamless flow into the living or dining area. Add a large island with bar seating, great for family gatherings and entertaining guests. This is especially popular in Houston's suburban homes, giving a modern and airy feel. Idea number 2. Smart storage solutions. Make the most of your space with smart storage. Pull out pantry shelves, hidden trash compartments, deep drawers for pots and pans. Houston homeowners love this efficient upgrade, especially in older homes with limited cabinetry. Idea number 3. Quartz countertops and backsplash combo. Upgrade to sleek quartz countertops for durability and easy maintenance. For a cohesive look, extend the same quartz up the wall as a backsplash. This look is both luxurious and low maintenance, perfect for Houston's busy households. Idea number 4. Energy efficient appliances and lighting. Save money and modernize your kitchen by installing LED under cabinet lighting. Energy Star certified appliances. This not only reduces your utility bill but also boosts your home's resale value, a smart move in the competitive Houston real estate market. Ready to bring your dream kitchen to life in Houston? Let us know your favorite idea in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more home improvement ideas tailored for Texas homes.